Hi, Zachary C. Ashby at Pacific Northwest Family Law. Question that comes up is, do I even need a will? The answer to that really depends on your circumstances. Um, Depends on what property you have and what you want to happen after you pass away. If you don't own any property, you probably don't need a will. And in fact, a little known thing is that you already kind of have a will that the legislature, that your government already wrote for you. So if you trust your government, absolutely, you already have a will. The way it works is that if you die, your spouse gets everything. If both you and your spouse die, then your kids get everything in equal measure. If you have kids from another marriage and you die, your spouse gets a portion and your kids get a portion. That's already part of it's a will that was written for you before by your government. So if you like that, that's fine. What does have to happen is that your estate has to be probated, so that's going to cost some money. Come out of your estate. Everyone's going to get a little bit less. One problem is if you have minor children, the government gets to pick who takes care of them. And once they turn 18, they get their full inheritance, meaning if you are leaving substantial money, they get to spend it how they want because now it's theirs. So if you were hoping that when they were 18 they would go to college, you better hope that they want that as well, and more than a vacation to the Bahamas or a really cool car. Now, on the other hand, if you want to control all those things, you do need a will. And you might need a few other things because you can make all those decisions. Many people do not believe that the government has made all decisions for them in the way they would make decisions. And so if you want to be able to maybe even avoid probate, minimize estate taxes, plan out your funeral yourself, if you want to help set up a way for your kids to manage assets when they're still young, and encourage them using the carrot approach to getting their inheritance to go to college or get a certain education, you can do that in a will. If you want to be able to make decisions if you want to go a step further and do an estate plan, you can make certain decisions about how you will be cared for, say in the hospital when you're no longer able to give consent or make decisions. You can make those kind of decisions now, so that your loved ones don't have to agonize over whether they made the right decision or not, or spend all their inheritance anyway, preserving your legal life. There might be other things that you would rather plan out for your family, because I do believe that parents have a better idea on how to raise their kids and how to control their property than the government does. But some people would disagree. That's okay if you're one of those. But if you do have other questions, please send us an email at info@pnwfamilylaw.com, or you can you can send us a message on Facebook Messenger. You can also call us 509-866-4111, and please like our Facebook page and or subscribe to us on YouTube for more videos. Thank you.